With every brushstroke, Irene Hertzberger comes to life. The 98-year-old has dementia, but she and others here are no longer taking antipsychotic drugs to control outbursts and aggression.
The medications actually don't have any effect other than sedating the residents.
Nevertheless, a new report from the Canadian Institute for Health Information shows nearly 40% of those living in long-term care were prescribed antipsychotic medication in 2014. 65% of them also took an antidepressant. On top of that, 15% took sedatives or sleeping pills.
The numbers are really bad.
Dr. James Silvius is with the Canadian Deprescribing Network. He says too many seniors are on too many medications for too long. With all those drugs come serious risks and side effects, including stroke, a sudden drop in blood pressure, falls, and fractures.
You're not as alert during the day,
which is fueling the push to deprescribe. Back at Trinity Village, they've reviewed what medications each resident is taking and stopped those deemed unnecessary, especially antipsychotics.
Can you sort these ones for me too?
They're being replaced with programs to re-engage seniors. Staff are trained to be patient and encourage decision-making, no matter how long it takes. The facility has gone from having 42 residents on antipsychotics down to just 2 or 3.
There's a much higher sense of purpose and of fulfillment for these residents.
And it's clearly a good feeling. Christine Burak, CBC News, Kitchener, Ontario.